Don't mind me, I literally look so freaking crazy right now. So for today, I'm going to be showing you my Ombré liquid blush effect. And I'm going to be using Rare Beauty's Grateful and Happy. And I'm going to show you this cute little way that you can add some definition with your blush and make it look 10 times better. So first, you're going to put 2 dots, just 2 little dots. Upper, put one here, and then one here. Then you're going to blend this out, but you want to blend it towards the back. Now that I have that all blended out, I'm going to take a little bit of my softer blush and put one in the front and one over the other color. One in the front, one over the other color, towards the front, towards the front, towards the front, towards the front. Blend it out. Now, I know it's a little crazy looking right now, but trust me, as soon as I get powder over this, it's going to look amazing. I'll be right back. Then I'm just going to take my concealer palette, take a cool toned blush, and just apply this over. And here's the final look.